the 2013 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.